Welltech Rangarajan Dr. Sanguthala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, established in 1997, is a deemed to be university located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It has received a rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com, both overall and for BTech program. Let's delve into the BTech program offered here, starting with placements which are rated 4 stars. Students report recruiters such as Capgemini, Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant and KPMG offering roles including tester, full stack developer, IT consultant, network engineer, AI engineer and software engineer. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 2,273 students graduated from the UG program in 2022-23. Out of these, 58% secured placements while 17% opted for higher studies. The median salary offered was 4 lakh per annum, reflecting an 11% increase compared to 2021. When compared to other colleges, Welltech's median salary of 4 lakh per annum is slightly lower than that of Rajalakshmi College and still has some ground to cover compared to Sri Krishna College of Engineering, which offers a median salary of 6 lakh per annum. Speaking of internships, many students reported valuable opportunities with companies like TCS, HCL, Imugenics and Biocon, primarily in software trainee roles. Welltech provides a total of 15 BTech courses which have various other specializations. The School of Computing offers 8 BTech courses where CSE has 10 subspecializations, IT has 3 and the students of the school can also pursue minor degree in Internet of Things and Management Studies. School of Electrical and Communication on the other hand provides 4 BTech courses with 1 specialization option in Biomedical and Biotechnology both. ECE offers 4 and EEE has 2 options. The third BTech department here is School of Mechanical and Construction that offers 3 BTech courses. Aeronautical offers 3 specializations, Civil has 1 and Mechanical has 2 options. Admission requires a minimum of 60% in 10+2 for direct admission, and alternatively students can qualify for BTech by submitting scores from the Welltech Technical University Engineering Entrance Exam. Looking at the cost, the total program fees for the 4 years is between 12.4 lakhs to 15.2 lakhs. Hostel fees for the same period varies from 4.2 to 6.6 lakhs based on room type and amenities. Scholarships are available for meritorious students and those with high VTU EEE rank. Shifting our focus towards infrastructure, which is rated 4.1. The university spans across 66.75 acres. The Wi-Fi enabled campus features smart classrooms, a well-stocked library, research centers and specialized labs for subjects like biochemistry, mechatronics and data structures. The university offers 5 hostels equipped with all essential facilities. Students appreciate the quality of the mess food and services with non-vegetarian meals available every day except Saturday. There are also extensive sports facilities including volleyball, cricket and a fully equipped gymnasium. Additional amenities include a bank, cafeteria, international guest house and medical facilities. Turning our attention to faculty and course with a rating of 4 stars. Students appreciate the faculty, most of whom hold PhDs from prestigious institutions like IITs and NITs. To sit for exams, 75% attendance is required with a pass percentage of 50%. The curriculum is enriched with foreign language courses, global alliances, semester exchange programs and research internships at institutions like Harvard, Caltech and Nanyang Technological University. Moving on now to campus life with a rating of 4.1 stars. Students enjoy a vibrant campus life with various clubs and societies for showcasing their talents. The annual Tech Cultural Fest, Lavazza, is celebrated enthusiastically and numerous conferences, seminars and events further enrich the campus life. In terms of ranking, Welltech holds the 86th position in the NIRF 2024 Engineering category, moving slightly down from 84th in 2022. For more details on Welltech Rangarajan Dr. Sanguthala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and to explore thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now.